Hello 9th class students. Today I am going to explain you how to convert mathematical expression into Java expression. This is given as a question in your book or in your unit 7 on page number 9090, third question. So how to solve these types of questions? Now I am going to explain you few examples. So after looking at these examples, you also try to solve the third part of the exercise which is given in unit 7. So let's see the first expression. Like if it is given a, b, c, so if these are the variables a, b, c, how we'll convert it into Java expression? We will write like this way: a multiply b multiply c. So if no symbol is there between any variable, then we use multiplication symbol. So this is the answer of this expression: a, b, c, a multiply b multiply c. Now we'll solve the next one. Next one is ab plus bc plus cd. So how we will solve this one? We will write like this way: a multiply b. So there is no symbol between a and b, so we will apply multiply. So now after a multiply b, what symbol is given already in the question, that we will type plus b multiply c, then again plus c multiply d. Okay, in this way we will solve the second expression. Now we will see how to solve this one type of expression: a square plus b square. So in this type of questions there are two ways. First way is simple. If a is power 2, then we can write a multiply a. A we will write 2 times. If a power is 5, then we will write a multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a 5 times. So here a is power 2, so we will write a multiply a, then plus b power is also 2, we will write b multiply b. So this is the answer of this one. Or you can solve it like this way also. Or you can solve it like this way also. We can use math.pow. This is mathematical function. We will use math.pow, then in brackets we will write a comma 2, means a is power 2. Okay, a is power 2, then plus we will write math.pow b comma 2. So you can use any method. You can use this simple also, a into a plus b into b, or you can use a math.pow a comma 2 plus math.pow b comma 2 also. So why we are using this one? Sometimes if its power is 9, a power 9, then b power also if 9, then it is difficult to write 9 times a multiply a multiply a multiply a. So like that way we have to write 9 times multiply. So in place of that, what we will do, we can write here a comma 9, then b comma, if b power is also 9, then we can write b comma 9. So clear? So you can use this method also, or you can use this method also. So here if a is power 2 is there, then you can write only 2 times a into a multiply. If b power is also 2, then you can write b multiply b. Or you can use math.pow function, because its power a is power 2, so we can write here a comma 2, or you can write b comma 2. This is the another method. So this is your third type of example. Now next is, if this type of example is coming 2l plus b. So how we will solve this one? We can solve it like 2, then we will write, if there is no symbol between bracket and this one, then we will apply multiply here. 2 multiply, then again in brackets we will write l plus b. Okay, then next is P RT divided by 100. So this division, in place of this division, what we will change in the program, we will see its right is answer like this way. We will write P RT. So P RT, no symbol between them, what will come? Multiply. P multiply R. So if there are small variables, small letter variables, we will also use small. P multiply R multiply T divide by 100. So division will be converted, this division symbol will be converted this slash. So in Java we are using this symbol for division. So we will write like this way, then the answer will be correct. Now next is 1 divided by 3. So how we will write this one? We will write its answer like this way. We will write 1 divide 3. So we write 1 slash 3 means 1 divide 3. Again between them no symbol is there. 1 divided by 0, इसके बीच में कोई symbol नहीं है. Then we will write using operator multiply. Then A multiply B plus 1 divide by 2 multiply C multiply D. So it is 1 divided by 3. No operator is there, so we use here multiply. Here also no operator, so we use multiply. Plus is already given here, so we apply plus here. Then 1 divided by 2 multiply C. There is no symbol between them, no operator between them. Then we write C multiply D. So now students, next number 7 is there. That is the something different. So some questions also given related with this one to understand it first. So this is written 3. 3 means cube root. So for this we are using the formula math M always should be capital dot CBRT. CBRT means cube root. Then in brackets we will write A multiply B plus C multiply D. This is the expression for this. So if 3 is there, then we will write CBRT. Next is there 3 divided by 8. So we will write here 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8. Then we will write again multiply sign, no between, because there is no symbol between them. So for this one square root, this is the square root. So we write math dot SQRT. If 3 is written behind this one root, then we write math dot CBRT. Otherwise, if nothing is written behind before this one, then we will use math dot SQRT. Then in brackets we write B multiply B plus C power 3. So C we will write 3 times. C multiply C multiply C. So bracket close. Then semicolon also you can give, or you can leave it also. Next number 9 is there. We will apply like this way. R's power 3. So we can write math dot power also. We can write R 3 times also. R multiply R plus Q multiply Q multiply Q multiply Q 4 times. Then minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, similarly you can solve this one also. Zero 0.05 minus 2 multiply y multiply y multiply y divide by in brackets x minus y brackets close. So these are the Java expressions. I hope you understood. So if you understood, you solve the page number 90 exercise question number third part. Write the Java expression for the following and write on your copy and send me the pics in your homework on the school Mount Carmel School Bhunga app. Thank you students.